Hello everybody and welcome back to the Crown Lounge. My name is Roosevelt and I will be making a cocktail for you today. So today we're going to make a variation of a Long Island iced tea. This one right here is called a Miami iced tea. So it got to be kind of, tropical, kind of fruity, right? It has to be, right? It's Miami. It has to be fun, right? So just like any iced tea, whatever variation, there's a lot of alcohol in it, right? This is one of those drinks that's going to get you messed up a little bit, right? So just be careful on how many you have and don't operate heavy equipment after drinking it, right? So let's get started. First we're going to do is we're going to go with half an ounce of vodka. Just half an ounce. Then we're going to go half an ounce of rum, of a light rum. Next, we're going to go half an ounce of gin. And next, we're going to go half an ounce of peach schnapps. Now we get into the fun category, right? With flavors. Next, we're going to go with a triple sec, whatever version you want to use. I'm going to go just with half an ounce. Oh, I'm sorry, a half an ounce. Not half an ounce, but a half an ounce of triple sec. Next, we're going to go 1 ounce of sweet and sour mix. 1 ounce. And then we're going to go 1 ounce of cranberry juice. And you can make this in your glass with ice. I just want to get a good stir because I just want to get a good stir before I put ice in it. I'm going to fill my glass with ice. And last, we're going to top it off with Sprite. And there you have it, a Miami iced tea. All right, let's see how this compares to other iced tea variations. It's good. It's a good iced tea. That peach schnapps adds a little bit to it. Right, so this is one of those easy, I'm going to sneak up on you and catch you a little bit later type of drinks. It's good. It's a good, solid drink. I like it a lot. It's a good drink. Anyway, don't forget to like, follow, and share. Until next time, cheers.